up, guys? It's your boy Paris from Paris. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another episode. Please be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the video. Today, we're gonna be installing a little carbon fiber. Yes, sir. We got the carbon fiber lip from Suvneer Motorsports. Gonna be getting some help putting this on from friend Eldridge. He's got a YouTube page as well. He's got a sick M3. Be sure to go check that out. I'm gonna tag him down below. So let's get to it. I made it here to Eldridge's place, and right now he's getting things together to get the lip installed. Let's take a quick look at his beautiful M3. Nicely done. Nicely done. They look good beside each other. So yeah, as I said earlier, be sure to check out Eldridge's YouTube page. Eldridge has always answered any question I had since I bought the BMW. Also sent me links on where to get parts. Definitely check out his page. Like I said, and you can see more of this beautiful M3. First time ever wrapping something, and it is not as easy as it looks. There's a lot of wrinkles that form, a lot of air bubbles. You definitely got to take your time when doing that. So hats off to the guys who wrap a whole car. Alright guys, day 2 of the lip install. I had to leave and I left Eldridge to finish it up, and I am very impressed with what he's done. It looks amazing. Here's a look at the car with the new lip installed.
All I gotta say is usually things start with small things, lead up to, you know, bigger things, and then one mod to another. So like I was telling him, this is just the beginning. He's got a lot more to come.
All right guys, that's gonna be it for me. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Take care of yourself, take care of each other. Peace and love. I'm out.